You guessed it, I'm back at Harbor Freight, and in this video, I'm going to cover the remaining days of the deals from days 6 through 10. Luckily, there was someone that actually leaked the remaining deals online on the Reddit site, and I do want to give credit to Reddit user Revolutionary Key. Thank you so much for posting that on Reddit. Here's the image of the Reddit post. So it is blurry in some of the sections, and I think I can make out what it is as far as the pricing on some of these tool deals. So I'll cover them in this video. All right, so day 6 is going to be Wednesday on May 6th. It's going to be on the Icon Flex Click Torque Wrench, and it is the one that I showed from my first 10 days of deals. And from the card of clues, the lady was holding up the professional flex head torque wrench by Icon and the 3/8 drive. It goes from 5 to 75 foot-pounds of torque, and this is going to be the one and only deal on the torque wrenches. So it's not going to be multiple torque wrenches, just this one only. And it retails at $140, but the deal price is going to be $99.99, and it's going to be a limit of 1. So it's saving $40, which is 28% off. It is a decent deal on the torque wrench, especially if you need one that goes from 5 to 75 foot-pounds of torque. Might be a decent pickup on it, saving 28%. And here is the second deal for day 6. It's going to be on the Quinn 61-piece half-inch drive impact socket set. The deal price is going to be $99.99, and that's what I can make out from the image. It looks like $99.99, so it might be a little bit different from what actually comes out, but that's what I think it is. And it's going to be saving $80, which is 44% off. It's going to be an excellent deal on this socket set. And so it does offer both SAE and metric sockets in both the regular style sockets as well as deep sockets, which is going to be 28 pieces of each, including 4 extensions and 1 impact universal joint. So this is what the kit looks like. It obviously comes with a lifetime warranty, and these are 6-point sockets. And here is what it looks like inside the case, with the sockets nicely organized in case you need to keep it in the case. And then here are the sizes that it includes. So the top part has the millimeter listed, and then the SAE, and the same thing goes for the deep impact sockets. So you can take a screenshot of that, of all the different sizes that it includes. So I think that is a good deal at only $100. That's saving 80. It's a pretty substantial amount of savings, and that's 44% off. So I don't think we'll see a better deal on it. That's for sure, especially on the socket deal that they did during a previous parking lot sale where it was 35% off. So definitely better savings to get it here on day 6, which is Wednesday. All right, next up is going to be day 7, which is Thursday, May 7th. The deal is going to be on the Icon 8-piece precision snap ring pliers set. So it comes with 7-inch and 9-inch straight snap ring pliers, as well as 90-degree and 45-degree in the 7-inch length. And you're able to do both internal and external snap rings on that. The retail price is at $73, but you will be able to pick it up for only $40, which is saving $33 on that, which is 45% off. It's going to be an excellent deal on this set if you're in the market for it. Obviously, the Icon brand is their top tier brand. Comes with a lifetime warranty. Also included is the hard plastic case with the handle, so you can keep them stored in that if you want. It's an excellent deal at 45% off versus the previous Spring Black Friday sale that they recently had on the Pliers of 35% off. So great savings to save additional 10% on it. If you're enjoying this video so far, I'd really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more of these tool deal videos, and I really do appreciate that support. Let's move to the next deal. All right, the next deal for day 7 is going to be on the brand new to market, the Yukon 36-inch 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet. Now the image was blurry on the price that they're going to be offering it at. So this is a guess that it's going to be priced at $249.99, which would be saving $80 on that, which is 24% off. So it will be an excellent deal on this brand new tool cart from Yukon. It is offered in 3 different colors of the blue, red, and black. It offers a max weight capacity of 1,200 pounds. And here are the dimensions: 36 inches wide, 18 deep, and 37.5-inch high. And you can see it lined up next to the regular Yukon 9-drawer cart. So it is pretty even. The lip of it does stick up just a little bit above the wood top of the Yukon. In case you have this box, just want to give you an idea what it would be like next to it. It does come with the nice rubber mat on the top, and it has the remaining drawer liners on the top drawer. And these are soft closed drawers too, which is nice. Then they do practically extend out almost full, maybe like an inch short. And they got some nice deep drawers to them, especially on the bottom one. To me, it actually looks pretty good, especially if that is the deal price at $250. You really can't beat it. It also comes with a side handle too, so you could move it around your shop or garage. And it has the caster wheels, so very nice. That'd be an excellent deal at $250. Okay, now I'm going to cover day 8, which is going to be Friday, May 8th. It's going to be $50 off of either the Bauer or Hercules 5 amp hour 2-pack of batteries. Between the Hercules and Bauer batteries, you're going to be able to save $50 each on them. So it'll be an excellent deal. So here is the Hercules 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries. The price on it is normally $135. So you'd save the $50 on that, making it $85. Be an excellent deal for 2 5 amp hour batteries, in which I noticed they actually have the same pricing for the Bauer 2-pack of the 5 amp hour batteries at $135. So that would also be $85, saving the $50. And the second deal for day 8 on Friday, May 8th is going to be 30% off on all corded Bauer and Hercules sanders. The word sanders is blurry on the Reddit post, but that's what I believe it is, since the cart of clues did have a quarter sheet sander from Hercules in that cart. So I'll cover the different options from Bauer and Hercules that they offer here for the corded versions. And I will go ahead and start off with that quarter sheet sander from Hercules. It's a 2.4 amp one, and it offers 15,000 oscillatings per minute. And currently that is on an instant savings price at $40. So technically, if your store is like mine, we'd be able to stack that deal of saving additional 30% off, which right now on that instant savings, it's saving 11%. It's normally priced at $45. And here is the Bauer quarter sheet sander option. It's a 2.2 amp, so a little bit less powerful than the Hercules at 2.4 amp. It also offers the 15,000 oscillatings per minute, has the hard plastic dust collector on it, so you would not be able to hook up a shop vac to this one. And that one's priced at $25. And the next Bauer option is on the detail sander. And that one does have like a little chute, so if you happen to have a connector to be able to fit a shop vac to that, that would be pretty good. And this sander retails at $28. And then we'll get into some random orbit sanders now. They have the 2.8 amp Bauer one. It's a 5-inch random orbit sander, and that retails at $40. And it does range from 0 to 13,000 oscillatings per minute with that variable speed dial there on the side of the handle. And then the Hercules 5-inch random orbit sander, the corded one, also is variable speed with that same, with the dial there on the side of the handle. And this one ranges from 8,000 to 12,000 oscillating per minute. It also offers a soft start to it, and that retail price is at $55. And that is a 3 amp one versus the Bauer one at 2.8 amp. And if you happen to do some drywall work, this would be your time to pick up the Bauer drywall sander. It's a 9-inch variable speed one. It offers LED light ring around the perimeter of the sanding area. This is what it looks like on the display. So that does light up, so you can see the surface that you are sanding. It has the 9-inch hook and loop pad for the sanding disc, and the handle of it does adjust up to a total of 5 feet in length, so you can reach up into tall areas for sanding. And the retail price is $150. So save 30% on that, would make it a good deal. And we have seen other deals on this in the past, ranging around the $110, $100 mark, right around that range. So it is a decent deal there to save the 30% on it. And another corded sander option is from Bauer, the 5.3 amp, 1/2-inch by 18-inch band file belt sander, and that retails at $50. And they have some belt sander options as well. So they do have the Bauer 3-inch by 21-inch variable speed belt sander at 8 amps. It has 6 speed settings, and that retails at $50. And they have a more heavy duty Bauer belt sander. It's a 4-inch by 24-inch one, and it ranges from 900 to 1600 feet per minute, and it's variable speed, obviously. And it has a quick release belt, and that retails at $80. All right, next I'll get into some other corded sander options, and they have this Bauer 4-inch by 36-inch combination belt sander and disc sander in one. So it has the side disc sander here with the table, and you can adjust the angle of it too. And then it has the top belt sander portion of it too, which the belt size is 4-inch by 36-inch. And then the disc part is a 6-inch disc. And this retails at $115. And the next Bauer option is going to be on the 4" by 24" oscillating edge belt and spindle sander. So you can switch it out between the spindle and the belt on the top portion there. And on the back part, let's see if I can get it on camera. And the back part here stores the belt portion of it, so you can switch it out. It has a 3.5 amp motor. Then it offers 60 oscillations per minute at 2,000 RPM and 1,600 feet per minute. And this retails at $200. And the next Bauer option is the 12" 1.25 horsepower disc sander. It's an 8 amp motor and it runs at 1,725 RPM. It has a cast aluminum table and a direct drive train. It even has a guide there so you could push things through and sand them on that large disc. And that is priced at $200. All right, next up, I'm going to cover day 9, which is going to be Saturday, May 9th. They have a couple good jack deals. The first one is going to be on the Daytona 4-ton heavy-duty jack. It offers a max height of 20.25" and a minimum height of 4.25". It has a dual rapid pump to it and the rear swivel casters. It's available in the 4 different colors of black, blue, green, and orange. And the retail price on that is $270. So you'll actually be able to save $110 on that, which is 40% off. I mean, excellent deal on this jack, especially if you're in the market for a 4-ton one. Excellent deal. And the next jack deal is going to be on the Pittsburg 2-ton steel low-profile floor jack. It offers a max height of 16 7/8" and a minimum height of 3.5". It has the dual rapid pump and the extra wide casters on that as well. It's normally priced at $140, but you'll be able to pick up this jack for $83.99, which is saving $56 on that, and it's also 40% off. So it's an excellent deal on a 2-ton jack if you're in the market for this one. I haven't seen it be this low actually, so it's an excellent deal at 40% off. And those are going to be the only 2 jack deals that they're offering on day 9, Saturday. And next up, I'm going to cover day 10, the final day of the 10 days of deals. It's going to be on Sunday, May 10th, and the deal is going to be 35% off on all Badland winches. It's going to be an excellent deal on the winches if you're in the market for a winch, obviously. And I'll start off with the top tier one that they offer from Badland. It's going to be on the 12,000 pound with the synthetic rope, which the synthetic rope is 80 feet long. It comes with a wireless remote and it offers a line speed of 31 feet per minute, and it's IP68 and 69K rated. And it has a premium hook on it, which they don't have on display here. The retail price on that is $600, and they also have the steel rope option as well. That's also priced at $600. They just don't have it on display here. But if you're in the market for one of these 2 winches, I would recommend going for the synthetic rope one. I think it has better ratings compared to the other one. And this is the Apex model of both of them, which is their top tier winch that they offer. And the next winch option is going to be the Badland ZXR 12,000 pound winch with the steel rope, which is a 65-foot rope. It has a 12-foot wired remote, and it offers a line speed of 26 feet per minute, and it's IP66 rated. And the price on this winch is at $350. So it would be an excellent savings of 35% off. I think there was a couple channels that actually did some testing on the different winches available, and I think this was the winch that they tested on the ZXR model, and it did not perform as well compared to other competitor options. All right, next up is the ZXR 9,500 pound winch. It also has a 65-foot steel rope and a 12.5-foot wide remote. Offers a line speed of 25.9 feet per minute, and it's IP66 rated. The price on this one is at $330. And if those are too big of winches, they do have a lot smaller winches available. They have the ZXR 5,000 pound one. It's the long drum UTV winch with a 50-foot steel rope, a 12-foot wired remote, and 20 feet per minute line speed. It's rated at IP67 rated, and that retails at $180. And they do have a 5,500 pound winch from Badland and the Apex. They just don't have a display of it, and that offers a 50-foot synthetic rope, a 10-foot wire remote, and 18.7 feet per minute line speed. That's priced at $270. And they get even smaller from here. They have a 2,500 pound ATV utility winch as a 50-foot steel rope and a wireless remote, and the line speed is at 14 feet per minute. It's IP65 rated, and it's actually currently on an ITC deal, so this is one that you could potentially stack on, and the ITC deal price is at $80, which is saving 11% on that. It's normally priced at $90, so if your store is like mine, majority are, you can stack the deal on top of the instant savings. And another Badland option is on the 2,000-pound 12-volt utility trailer winch. It has a 50-foot steel rope, 4-foot wired remote, and 11 feet per minute line speed. And that's priced at $60. And one more winch they have is a 1,500-pound, it's a 120-volt AC electric winch. So this would be great for like in the garage. And here's the remote that it comes with. And it has a 35-foot steel rope and a 9-foot wired remote and 10 feet per minute line speed, and that's priced at $170. My opinion, it's a great deal to save 35% off on the winches. You won't see too much of a better discount on them, that's for sure. And that's going to be it for the 10 days of deals that I'm going to cover. That's going to be all the deals they are offering. And if you made it to the end, here's a bonus for you. I actually took the time and typed out the deals from the Reddit post, so you can maybe take a screenshot of it. That way you get a better, clearer view of what it actually is. If you made it to the end, I really do appreciate you watching the whole video. And if you gained any value from it, I'd appreciate you do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much.